Well, over the past couple of days, temperatures have been in the 70s and 80s across the area. It really seems like we've jumped right into late spring or even early summer weather. Of course, with that comes the chance for some storms, and that's what's going to happen later on today. Over the past 2 days, taking us back to Monday in Marion, we were in the 70s. Yesterday, we were up into the 80s across most of the area, and right now temperatures have really not fallen all that much. 70 in Mount Vernon, 72 in Marion, as well as Poplar Bluff, 71 in Cape Girardeau and in Paducah. And when temperatures are that warm this early in the morning, that's just a sign of things to come, and that means some rather strong storms expected later today. A very strong temperature contrast as well, from 71 in St. Louis to 43 in Kansas City, 21 in Liberal, Kansas, 40 in Tulsa, and actually in Texas, a very strong temperature gradient there as well, from 45 in Dallas-Fort Worth to 21 in Amarillo. Amarillo, they're actually dealing with some wintry weather right now. This cold front is very strong. It's still pretty far off to our west. Our winds will continue to be out of the south all day long today. The stationary front still to the north of us. We're really not expecting much of an influence from that front. It's the cold front to the west that is expected to not only drop our temperatures, but also bring us some significant precipitation, as well as the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms. Notice that along the leading edge of these storms, which is already moving through parts of central Missouri toward Jefferson City and Columbia, behind that, we actually have some purples and whites kind of showing up on the radar, and that is the sign of some wintry weather falling across parts of Kansas and into Oklahoma and Texas. I actually did have some winter storm warnings as well as blizzard warnings in effect for this storm. Just some very heavy precipitation causing lots of problems out there. For us, it's going to be all rain, but it's going to be a lot of rain, and it's going to be rather strong winds as well expected later on this afternoon. The cold front moves from west to east beginning late tonight, right around 10 o'clock, just west of our viewing area. As it starts to make its way east, it will dump heavy rain, bring some strong gusty winds. The potential for some hail and even some isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out at this point. By 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, most of us are already dry, and that is a good thing because temperatures will fall throughout the day on Thursday. Notice that there is some wintry weather further to the north and west, but for us here, we'll actually dry out by midday on Thursday and just experience that cool down behind the front. The greatest risk for severe storms across our area will be parts of southeastern Missouri, as well as kind of southwestern Illinois all the way towards Mount Vernon. And that is just kind of going to be at least the first part of the storm. When it moves through, that's when it's expected to be the strongest. Once it pushes east, it will weaken, and that's why those areas are just expected to see the slight risk for severe storms. And again, those strong gusty winds, I think, will be the main impact. Temperatures this afternoon up near 80 yet again with those gusty winds continuing. We're in the 50s on Thursday and Friday. Saturday starting the day in the 30s, making up to 60, and we're back near 70 on Sunday. So that cool down just lasts for a couple of days, and then we're right back to the warm spring-like weather. Mother Nature just wants to see if we're paying attention. Yeah, you got it. Might as well get ready now because I think that this is going to be a long spring as well. All right. Thanks, Ashley. Yep.
Okay. So let's keep an eye on it, and I will keep you guys updated. Bye.